you know how the first task that you need to complete to decide on what your membership offer is gonna be about is that you decide on the outcome that you're gonna be delivering to people, right? So I just explored the idea of how I can help myself, or you can help yourself, to decide what the outcome and your course of your membership is gonna be all about. You can help yourself with Chat GPT, and I have just practiced this idea a little bit, and I created this kind of framework here of what you can ask the Chat GPT, and it throws out the complete membership structure, your course structure out for you, right? So look, I'll show you this right now. So you remember what your membership would be all about, right? Your offer, yeah, right? Your offer would have certain goal that your members would want to achieve, right? And that's what you help them achieve as part of your membership, right? Then there should be a certain course curriculum through which people can go as part of your membership so they achieve that outcome. And then the community, the forum, right? And weekly support coaching calls. And there is that price point that they are paying every month to be part of this community, right? So now how we build this offer that we can then charge people whatever price per month, right, is that first we want to decide on the outcome of that goal, right, of what people will be achieving, right? And we want to write out one nice statement out, so that statement then becomes our North Star, right, of what we are helping people achieve, right? And we usually state this statement, hey, I help you, or I help women over 40 lose weight, become fit and more attractive, whatever, right? So we want to write this statement out, and the easiest way for you to brainstorm what this statement would be all about is that you ask ChatGPT, who's gonna do the research for you, right? So I'll show you right now how this works, and it's fairly cool. So after we're gonna decide on that outcome, right, statement, then you want to create 3 steps, 3 lessons, 3 course lessons, right, through which you're going to be coaching everyone so they achieve that outcome. And we also want to decide on the membership name, right? So how are you going to call your course? How are you going to call your membership, right? Now, down below, for you to complete these 3 things through which, right, you can have your course and your membership ready then to accept the first members in, right? You can help yourself with this guy, with the Chat GPT, right? I'm not gonna teach you the other parts of this lesson, right? Because I do teach them in the course here, but let's test how this would work, right? I created this kind of statements that we want to throw into Chat GPT, right? So I already ran this here through once. I'll just do it once again for you live right now so you can see how this works, right? But look, this statement is the first statement that we want to ask the chat, right? And this statement sounds like, look, let's go back to the template. I will create a membership course on this certain topic, right? I will help who achieve what. Could you write out 10 different outcome statements describing my membership in a few different ways, right? So here is the template that I turned already into the niche choice of kind of mine, right? The course for women who want to lose weight, right? I will help women above 40 lose weight, be attractive and fit, or whatever your niche is, right? If your niche here is, you know, teaching how to cook, right, you would throw that in there. Or if you are a spiritual guide, right, you throw that niche in there, right? Whatever. So could you write 10 different outcome statements out for me? And we press enter, right? And then this guy is gonna do the job. It gives you 10 statements, descriptions of what your membership outcome would be all about, and you can help yourself with these 10 statements now, right? So that's the guy just brainstorms everything here for you, so you don't need to overthink things, and you can just pick some stuff from here and start adjusting it, and then you can formulate your own statement, right? So you see, we just got 10 pretty cool statements out here. Transform your body and boost your confidence with our exclusive membership course tailored for women over 40 seeking effective weight loss solutions, you know. And then you could add next to it you know, that so you can be attractive, you can be fit, and all these kind of things, right? Achieve your desired weight loss goals and embrace a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle through our specialized program designed for mature women. So it's quite cool statements, right? I don't know, this thing is smart, right? So we got that done. Now we want to create a course about this statement, right? And what are we gonna do next is, I have this other sentence here, and it sounds like, I like this statement. We want to insert the statement that we like, and then we say to the guy, can you write out 3 course lessons? Each of the lessons should also have 3 topics describing the lessons. This will become my course structure. Thank you. So we copy this, we go to here. We also want to find that which statement we like, so we'll choose that one. We'll insert it here. Right, paste, press, we'll just break it down a bit, I don't think that matters, but let's press enter, and now he's gonna write a course out for us, right? So you see course lesson 1, and then 3 topics, right? And then that's gonna be your course lesson 1 that you can teach in 3 to 5 minutes, right, as part of your membership. Course lesson 2 and course lesson 3, and how fun it is to see different formats of how these course lessons are written out, like the previous chat that I ran, right? You see, it wrote it out for me in this way, right? Each lesson, 3 topics, and each of the topics has got another 3 bullet points, right? So this one is more like expanded version, right? So that's what I got out before, and now it gave me out this kind of simple short version of it, which could be only on 1 slide, right? So anyway, these are just different versions of courses, but at the end of the day, right, we would have then these 3 modules, 3 lessons in our course, right? Understanding your body and weight loss basics, right? That's pretty cool. Nutrition strategies for optimal weight loss, and then exercise and lifestyle practices for lasting results. To be honest, that's exactly the way that I would create this course, because at that time, when I was recording an explanation, right, of how this should be done on your own without Chat GPT, look what I did, right? Step 1 was balance between nutrition and exercising, and look what this guy did. Understanding your body and weight loss basics, right? So that's even better than my stuff, right? It should be here, understanding the weight loss basics, right? But what I did is the balance between nutrition and exercising, right? Anyway, step 2, what the chat did is nutrition strategies for optimal weight loss. And look what I was putting down without ChatGPT, out of my head, right? That time, ideal nutrition plan. Quite awesome, right? Exactly that same thing. Like, understand the basics of weight loss or whatever, right? And then nutrition, and then exercise. Look, I put here exercise as the number 3, right? And the guy put here exercise and lifestyle practices for lasting results, right? So it's quite on point, right? I mean, like, maybe I'm on point, I'm not a weight loss coach, or ChatGPT is on point, I don't know, right? Now, so we got this far now, like, this can be your course now. You could just record this, like, 3 videos, right, for this course, which can be a little longer, right? And then you, of course, you would adjust this, and then you would have your course for your membership ready, right? And then you can start opening the doors to people to come in. So look, the next task, last step that I would do, I want to decide on what my membership is going to be called now, right? So I wrote down here membership name, right? Nice. Can you now write 10 membership names and ideas that I can pick from to name my membership? Make sure that they have around 4 word names, right, or phrases, right, whatever, right? So we go here, we paste that in, and we just flow it out, and like here is now we are getting the name suggestions, right? Feed over 40 club, slim and strong sisters, age, vibrant life. I would not even think about these ideas, right? Beyond 40 weight loss, right? Wellness warriors circle, shape up sisters, whatever, right? Does that make sense, right? So that's how this works. I am uploading this video right now into our course area here in school, into our free community. And if you have any questions, ask down below.